Hi, I'm Katie from ShopWildThings.com. We've just gotten several brand new products that are really exciting that you're going to love that match a bunch of our other products. So I wanted to show you 3 of them in this video. The first one is our rose cluster. It has a base and roses on top, 3 giant roses with a bunch of really realistic looking leaves that you can bend in any shape that you'd like. So you just bend the roses and bend the leaves in any position that you prefer. We have it in several colors, cream, white, pink, and red for this first round. And the next product that I'm going to show you will go on a flower wall, on a corner, or any kind of pipe and drape on the tabletop. So let me grab that. This giant rose garland that I'm wearing is 7 feet long and totally bendable. You could put this on top of it on a tabletop, on a flower wall, anywhere that you need a bunch of color to frame a doorway. You could use 2 of them and make a doorway. We'll do some videos showing you different ways to use it, but one of the cool features about all of these products is that you can bend all of the roses and all of the leaves to go in exactly the position that you want, unlike some garlands where they just kind of stick where they do and you have to put up with it. These you can position any way that you'd like. So you'll love this, 7 feet long, completely awesome, matches this entire line of giant roses. I have one more product to show you. The next product that I'd like to show you is our rose cascade. This has 3 big stems on it that are also totally bendable. You can bend the rose heads however you'd like. This is really big, 59 inches, and you can place it on a wall. You could put it on the corner, on a flower wall, pipe and drape, on the tabletop, however you'd like. It does have this hanging loop to help hang it if you're suspending it from a ceiling to make a beautiful ceiling installation. You just bend the roses so that they are facing the direction that you'd like. You might need to fluff them up a little bit, but I didn't really do anything with this one, and it looks pretty darn good. The rose cascade does come in several colors right now. We have a blush pink, a beautiful purple with tinges of white on the ends, super gorgeous, cream and white. We've all seen those Instagram posts with the $25,000 floral ceiling or more of real florals, and they are beautiful, but not everybody can afford that. So we have these new silk flower garlands. They're petals, and you just hang these from the ceiling. Each petal is attached to the next with monofilament line. They come in a variety of different colors and sizes. So for each color that we carry a small and a large petal. The large petals, here's a size comparison. The large petal strands are 6.5 feet long, and the short petal strands, the small petals, are 5.5 feet long. So you could intersperse them, use them together, use different colors together. We also have leaves. This is a sunflower leaf. This is an oak leaf and an oak leaf in fall colors. And we also have some sort of other leaf in the small size here. We have a lot of different colors of pinks. We have cream, off-white, white, pure white, and we have a shimmery, a barely shimmery, not tacky at all, silver and gold. They are, I'm not sure that that'll show on the video, but they are just barely shimmery, so it won't look gaudy. They're just very soft colors that we had made for us because we didn't like the really bright and crazy looking colors. So we have this in gold and silver. And if there are any other colors that you need, we can get those done for you as well. The details on these are gorgeous. Each petal has veins. No matter what kind you get, there are very intricate veins. So looking down, they look beautiful, and looking up, they look beautiful. So what your guests will see is the underneath side, and it's still really stunning. So we can't wait to see what you guys do with these.